Hi everyone, welcome to the third video of module 4, and here I'm going to show you that how you can import Python libraries and start using them. The ones that we are going to import are the NumPy and Matplotlib. Specifically, we are going to import PyPlot module of Matplotlib. And then what are these kind of abbreviations that are attached with respect to importing these libraries? All of these things are going to make sense as we go ahead in this video. So let's get started. Now, how do you tell Python that, you know what, I want to start using the functionality of Python? So how do I bring it over here? For that, I need to use this import. What do I need to import? I want to import the functionalities of NumPy. So now anything that is there in NumPy, I can simply call it by using numpy.something, okay, numpy.something. Again, the numpy. Some other kind of functionalities. I can simply call it by like this, okay. But won't it be better if I have a shorter way of writing this NumPy? Let me write it as np.something instead of NumPy. So what I'm doing, I'm saying that import NumPy as its short form that we use across the globe, which you call as NP. Okay, you can give any kind of name for that matter. You can also give N, you can give NP, you can give NPY, whatever suits you the best. Okay, but NP is something that we use worldwide, so it would be better to stick with this kind of nomenclature. I'm just going to delete all of these things, and if I run this code, what's going to happen? I'm telling Python that bring all the functionalities of NumPy over here for me. Now, this is the first thing that we are doing. Okay, I'm going to import the libraries. And because I've just imported NumPy, I'll also do the same thing for the Matplotlib. Now for Matplotlib, I don't want to include all of the functionalities of Matplotlib. Rather, I'll just import that PyPlot one. Okay, so for that, what I can do is, I know that within Matplotlib, there is this PyPlot file from which I want to use these functionalities of PyPlot. So what I can do is I can say that import Matplotlib, but inside Matplotlib there is PyPlot. So I'm going to do .pyplot. Okay, import Matplotlib .pyplot, and then I'm going to say SPLT. Simple as that. I'm going to run this code. Again, I have written just a short form so that I don't have to use this whole line. I mean, this whole bunch of things again and again to use some of the functionalities inside the PyPlot, right? So yes, I have just created a short form just like what we did for NumPy. So yes guys, this is how we are going to import the libraries, and this is going to allow us to go ahead and use all the functionalities. For the NumPy, I'm going to use this NP, and for the matplotlib.pyplot, I'm simply going to use PLT, right? So yes guys, this is something what we have done so far. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video over here. And I hope that by now you are confident in order to import this kind of Python libraries. At the same time, you also understand the importance of these abbreviations. Now in the next video, we are going to look into NumPy arrays. So I'll see you over there.